Hello everyone, welcome back. So today we will be discussing about how to claim bonus in OneWin. So quite simple. Now what you're gonna do is we have this official guide in here for one bonus, and if you want to get one bonuses you can log into your bet profile, navigate to your promotions page and choose your preferred promo and fulfill its entry requirements. And what that is going to do is it is going to be giving you the bonus for it. Now once you have your bonus, to claim your bonus, that is the topic of this video. So you're going to log into your bet profile and stake on fixtures with 3 dots or more to fulfill sports betting wagering requirements and wager a certain number of times to meet casino betting wagering requirements. So that is it for this video, and that's how you can use your bonuses in OneWin. And I hope this method was helpful. If it was, you can consider subscribing to our channel, like the video and share with your friends. Thank you so much, and see you guys around in the next one.